Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are draw and coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Kids, now we're opening the color of red. Red color. The next one is white color. The color of white. The next one is green color. Now we're opening the color of green, kids. And the next one is blue color. The color of blue. Kids, the next one is yellow color. Yellow. And the last one is black color. Now we're opening the color of black. Today we draw and coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first we're using the color of green, and now we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple. B for ball. And the next one is C for cow. D for dolphin. The next one is E for egg. Kids, the next one is F for fish, F for fan. G for goat. The next one is H. And the next one is I for eyes. J for joker. K for kite. L. M for moon. N for nose. Now we're using the color of blue. O for octopus. P. Q. And the next one is R for rose, R for rice. S. T. U for umbrella. V. W. X. Y. The last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.